Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending us their rechargeable digital kitchen workout, fitness, game timer, etc. Comes in this little box, front and back, nothing on the sides except the sticker. So thanks to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Nice little USB C-type charging cable to charge it. And then that's it for the box, nothing done in there. Inside of here, little instruction guide telling you how to do everything. And then this is the actual timer. So down here is vibrate. If you go up one, that's actually the second setting there. And then that's the loudest setting. Over here, you have low and then a brighter setting here. And then you just hour, minutes, seconds, start, stop, clear. Very nice and simple. Love the bright green colors. That's one of my favorites. Samshow has worked with me a lot. Thanks to them. There's magnets here on the back, so you can magnetize it to your fridge, or of course you could hang it if you wanted to, or of course you've got the kickstand to just set it like that. So let's do 1 second, and that's vibrate, so we'll clear that. So 1 second on the medium setting, start, stop. Now it's counting up, clear. 1 second on the high setting, start, stop. There it is. Very nice. So that'll do it for this kitchen timer. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.